start with a blank canvas in landscape video format. And what you need to do is go to the elements and type the phrases you see in the search bar. I import the image and scale it up. Go to Animate, create an animation. Hold Shift and drag it to the left. Set the movement style to steady and increase the speed as well. Let's first increase the layer duration to 15 seconds. Then I import the car from the uploads. This is a static element in Canva that I downloaded, animated with CapCut, and exported in GIF format. You just type car in the search bar. I did this because I had limited choices, and the car I wanted was the static element. Go to Animate, create an animation. Drag it to the right until it is completely off the page. Movement style is steady and its speed is the same as the image speed. Let's play it. The background movement duration is short, which we don't want. So I select the background and scale it up further. Then I go into Animate and delete the path and create a new one. I don't change the background speed, but I increase the speed of the car. Now this is exactly what we want. I'm going to have the next car enter when the car reaches this point and the background change. So first I shorten the car layer. Then I duplicate it. And I place it right at this point. It's time to change the background. Then shorten the layer to where the next car will enter. Reduce from the end as well. Scale it up as well. Go to Position and send it down. Go to Animate and create an animation. The next car enters at exactly the same point and also changes the background. So I duplicate the layer and place it at the point where the previous car is leaving the scene. Like this. The background also changes at the exact same time. First, shorten the image layer from the beginning to the point we specified. I go to Edit and select the Magic Grab tool. I click on the object I don't want. I'll increase the scale of the layer. Position and send it down. Animate, create an animation. It's quite good. Follow these steps for as many scenes as you have. If you want to learn tips and tricks for creating animations in Canva, check out the playlist linked here and take your skills to the next level. Hope you're enjoying what you're seeing. If you are, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. A like on this video is always appreciated. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll know whenever a new video goes live. For the final scene, I delete the car's path and create a shorter path for it, so that the car stops moving. The position of the layers is like this. Make sure to continue the car layer and the last image until the end, because it's the last scene. For sound effects or music, go to Elements, type car driving, and select whichever you want from the audio section. To avoid copyright issues, connect your social media account to Canva.